Hey, hi friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, in this channel you will get the beautiful and modern interior designs for your house. So friends, if you like my videos then please do subscribe my channel, like and share this video. Thank you. So friends, today in this video we are watching a beautiful sliding wardrobe designs. So if you are planning to buy a new wardrobe for storing your clothes that one can find and suit the size of your room, so looking for an affordable options, then sliding door wardrobes might just be a good option for you. These wardrobes are available in a range of size and be fitted inside the walls to further add a feeling of space. The sliding mechanism further make it easier for storing clothes and other important items and can be replaced if the sliding doors get damaged or broken. So there are the several benefits of the sliding wardrobe designs. First, it maximizes the storage. Unlike traditional wardrobe sliding mechanisms, wardrobes allow you to make full use of all space which you have in your room. Since the wardrobe is built directly into the wall and can reach up to the ceiling heights, it also offers maximum storage for all your clothes, shoes, and other important items. You can even add extra drawers, racks, boxes, shelves, and hanging rails for further boosting functionality and storage. One of the most main benefit of sliding door wardrobe is that they are available in a range of personalization and styling options. You can get one customized to suit almost every shape and size you can possibly imagine. You can further add a different finishes and colors around the wardrobe for boosting the overall appearance of your room. There are also a variety of mirror styles to choose from for the sliding doors, which include wood, shaded glass, partly frosted, grains, decorative mirrors, etc. There you can see there are the lots of designs are available in this video. So when you're planning to make the wardrobe designs, there are some important points to consider. First, you calculate the size of your room. So make the wardrobes as per your room size so that it will not affect your space of your room or look congested. If your room is very small, then go with the small wardrobe designs. In this video I have shown you the small wardrobe designs also. Another important point is the budget. So while considering your making or wardrobes, first you decide how much you can spend on the wardrobes. So when you're planning to make the wardrobe designs, first you ask the contractor to give you some quotations, the estimated price, or you can ask some go for with the more other options with other contractors also, so that you will get the idea that what is the perfect budget for your wardrobes. Another thing, the material which are used for the wardrobe, because this is the most important part of the wardrobe. The wardrobe durability is depend upon the material which is used for that. So the most famous material wardrobe is the laminate. It is more durable with any other material. There are more important wooden wardrobes which are more durable, but it will cost more expensive. The laminate wardrobe will not affect your pocket also, and its durable is high. So go for with the laminate wardrobes. There are the multiple uses of since sliding door wardrobes to prove to be an incredible stylish and function. They can be used in a multiple areas apart from your home. So for instance, you can these wardrobes for storing office supplies in your workplace. Unlike hinged wardrobe doors, sliding door mechanism also offer easy access through a single door without having to shut open and door different doors. So friends, if you like my videos, then please do subscribe our channel, like and share this video. Thank you so much.